Want to keep potential candidates connected? Learn how to set up job alert signups that keep your audience coming back when new opportunities arise. Let's keep engaging visitors who aren't ready to apply yet by offering them job alerts. Let's try this feature out for House of Talents, which specializes in connecting professionals with jobs. Job alert pop-ups can keep users engaged even after they leave the website. Step 1. Choose the right moment to ask for signups. The best time to ask for job alert signups is when users have shown some interest in browsing job listings. After a visitor has viewed multiple job postings, prompt them with a pop-up offering job alerts so they can stay updated on relevant openings. Step 2 is designing a non-disturbing pop-up that invites users to sign up for job alerts. The message could say, stay informed, sign up for job alerts and never miss a new opportunity. Make the form simple. Just an email address or phone number should be enough. Step 3. Personalize the alert options. Let's make it more relevant by offering personalized alert options. If someone has been browsing nursing jobs, the pop-up could ask if they'd like to receive alerts for similar roles. For new visitors, offer more general alerts for healthcare positions. Step 4. A/B test different approaches. To see which approach works best, let's test two versions. Version A could be a basic sign up for a job alert message, while version B allows users to select specific job categories like nursing or caregiver positions. We'll track which version gets more signups. Monitor the sign-up rates. Track how many users sign up for alerts after seeing the pop-up. Are they returning to the site after receiving job alerts? Keep an eye on conversion rates from alerts to actual job applications. Step 6. Implement the best version. Once we have the results, implement the best performing sign-up strategy across the site. This will help you keep users engaged even if they're not ready to apply on their first visit.